Yeah, it is a Betway Premiership game. And first of all, before I just say everything else, I just love to say I like to thank Koliso Mota for actually saving the day. We're gonna be getting up to that because how he actually save the day really today, impact here again, what he actually did and stuff. So yeah, it is a Betway Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 2 scoring our last minute 90-minute plus, both of them, and Sekhukhune United 0. I just don't know what like these guys, they get figure we kind of like they are title contenders, bruh, or but because why you playing low block the whole 90 minutes while you know what like you still have the chances to win the league, while you can see what like our teams that are actually big, they are just bottling it around, they're just messing around, and then you don't take that opportunity to actually try your best, bruh, to actually try like something, try your luck and decide to go to the low block while you're playing at home. So yeah man, what an entertaining match, I don't wanna lie. And yeah, let me just get to the match available. So yeah, I'm just gonna be speaking about first of all about the starting lineup available. Mamelodi Sundowns. So the starting lineup, Mamelodi Sundowns, there are a lot of changes. I think they changed the whole starting lineup. Everything from the goalkeeper department to the striker department available. We even saw it Deputy Gandaman. I think it was Deputy Gandaman if I'm not mistaken really today, yeah, but and then on the left hand side we saw Olunga after a long time. On the right hand side we saw Morena after a long time playing as a right back, and then on the midfield they tried to play with Adams available as a defensive as a holding midfielder, by the way, keep in mind. And Sekhukhune United is not even taking chances of that, like they are playing with somebody or it is an holding midfielder. They are not, defense is not that strong, they are playing with like their B squad, they're not taking an advantage. And with all due respect, Mamelodi Sundowns was supposed to win this match, like they deserve to win this match, not just for them today, but all of us, all of us, we still have to make like hint available, like interesting. We still like there's a lot like where you could like as much as like I'm saying Pagania they're supposed to win very into the league this season, but you can't be just giving it to them very easily. We can't be doing that. If like we can't be doing that. And Mamelodi Sundowns, even though they're still having like having like games on hands available, but you know they just love to bottle it around. My games on hand doesn't guarantee you available points available. So it is better when you are making a situation very a bit difficult, and also like the league very very njoba khona vele nobukhosi nobusikhukhuni stuff like that. It is interesting, but I think after a long time we're having an interesting season. And as I've said before, that's like kind of available league as like second round iqala, and I'm saying ukuthi mina personally violate ukuthi like kind of league iqala right now. Right now, let's focus about the first round. Now it is the toughest, it is the toughest round of them all. So yeah, first half from the Sekhukhune, they were just good at defending, available, playing with 5 at the back, 4 in the middle for the striking with like Hoba alone, and then they were just having difficult time to actually attack when they get the ball on their position available, because they were trying with low block, and then after that with like a counter attack, but also like a counter attack while they were not actually working because of the issue that they are too close. If you are playing a low block, you need to stretch your players available when it is time to do a counter attack, but they couldn't actually do that because most of the time what you'll actually be seeing they're too close, and then they'll end up playing very a ball available move, and then after that available but Balisali and Pambili, and then they just lost the ball like that. But they were good defensive wise because they didn't allow Mamelodi Sundowns to have like any shots on target unless the last minute, besides the last minute available of in a first half I think it was at 42 minutes. And yeah, they showed up, and the Mamelodi Sundowns was just difficult for them to actually penetrate and play on those like small spaces due to the fact which again this thing chemistry and stuff, and as much as I'm speaking up, it is the real thing. And because of that vele yabo they couldn't be able ukuthi like bahlanganise ba connect vele that much ukuthi bathole vele that final pass and then that final opportunity vele yabo ukuthi bakore. So it was just difficult from them to maybe to chemistry vele ukuthi like ama players the whole squad vele just changed. So yeah, and then Mamelodi Sundowns got in that opportunity, and then it's Kokune where they had like time to head like Mamelodi Sundowns, but they didn't take that on their advantage. And then second half came by, and then on the second half, that was when the Mamelodi Sundowns introduced where the big guns that were actually rested because they are just playing back to back games. They are still having like a CAF Champions League available this weekend, so they were just using every player on their disposal available to actually save the other ones veluthi rest. And then yeah, they introduced him Santos, quality player, best number 10 carried, like not even carried, I think best number 10 Mamelodi Sundowns. When this guy actually came here in APSL, I was like, will he be able to actually fill up the largest level of Ribeiro, because like Ribeiro was just something else available going to Mamelodi Sundowns, and they are playing very different positions well. And imagine if they had Ribeiro and like Santos, it was going to be something else, because that number 7 guy where Mamelodi Sundowns, I'm not pretty sure about him, but like Santos is just exceptionally quality player, but I don't know what he's actually doing like with PSL available. And he even saved the day available today with just passing the net, doing what my own player called Palmer from Chelsea actually did. Google car available, it's like passing like in net, just place the ball. I was shooting Amanda, just do it like technique. That guy is the best technique. Look at my crosses ever since he came here with Mamelodi Sundowns, those long balls available, crosses and stuff. It is just like technical, very actually gifted available. And then they introduced him, and then also after some time they introduced the guy that I said on the start of this video that he actually saved Velete, which is Kulisa Muta available. And then they also introduced available Muti, but they didn't. Some other people they might say, now why are they adding defenders when you're actually supposed to actually win the game? They're not adding defenders. One thing about Mamelodi Sundowns is that ama wingers they are not original wingers. They are playing is Velama 10s, so that allows ama wing back ama left and the right back available to actually play as ama wingers. And then since Skokune United was having many players at the back available, already are defending with 5, and then on the middle available it is a stretch 4. So Mamelodi Sundowns was supposed to add available more numbers going forward. So it was a thing already when you are having wingers who are playing as Velama 10, and then you have another 10, and then you have a striker and then another winger. That means like already attacking with 6 players available forward, and then you'll have 1 midfield and then 2 center backs available. So that is what they were actually doing, Mamelodi Sundowns, which is why after some time they were almost gotten to a trouble available when that long ball was played, and then Onyang available, the goalkeeper. That I don't know how old is that guy, but he's very old. And shout out to him for actually having really courage to do that. But to the striker also could have done better, because you are not inside the available box guy keeper where he's actually being protected, and then keeper was supposed to come out finding himself a center, and that's what was going. That is what Vela Bukzoyenze most of the time. If like Kune decided to take Vela advantages due to what they actually Vela did Vela, but like ama wing backs were available, and adlala ezamanto ama wingers Vela, original wingers available. And then that is how also they were allowed which band available bako revele the first goalie after and difficult game. It was after like a difficult time which because it was a thing which it was like Santo who actually sent available. It was in Santos. It was Ban Joanese. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. Actually sent the ball to Undo Umutawe, and Umutawe, as I said, was like he overlaps and plays a wing available. He was there, and then he brought the ball back, and then after bringing the ball back, he really make the run playing as a wing. I remember some wingers were sometimes they're actually playing Veleza 10, and then he Baba Mnigeza foot again, and he was able to actually give it to Santos, and then that is how they gotten the first goal, and then the second one vele yabo, it was through again Omotau playing as a winger, stretching very far vele yabo, having that first touch, having that technique to actually pass the ball yabo, and then Peter Shalulile wasn't able to actually finish it, and Leon vele trying over and over and over again. This was one of Baba Vele, he was actually frustrated vele yabo, gotten an opportunity to actually tap the ball with his head, using with the generation of power, and then that is how they actually scored on the last 6 minutes, which is added, not at the after 90 minutes plus. The boy 6 minutes was added, and then that is how they actually got 2 goals within 2 minutes available. And yeah, my man of the match, I would give it to Khulise Motau, but the original man of the match today, it was Divine Lunga, because he actually tried to make Velama combinations available over and over and over and over again, but it was just difficult. And yeah, man, Sbong. The league is still gonna be interesting available. Tomorrow my team, it is actually playing available, because I hope they win, because we'll be sitting on number 2, Mamelodi Sundowns sitting on number 1. By the way, I'm not saying it's okay, I'm not saying it's very good as available coach and stuff. Now we're looking for a league available, but we're supposed to try by all means to secure that position 2 or number 3 available, because we still have a chance even to win the league. We still have a chance. But I'm okay, let me shut up. Man of the match, and yeah, man, make sure that you subscribe, let's grow the channel. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers. We are on 917 right now. Think 80 something, we are there. And thank you.